Today, we have a special top offer segment where you're not just gonna get my beautiful baritone voice telling you about personal recommendations at what I think for Christmas and beyond are offers that you should be focused on. You're gonna get a litany of our whole sales team because oftentimes we know we have stats telling you exactly what the top offers are, but you might be missing on the hidden secrets, right? What are those secret menu items that you don't know about because we don't even list them? Well, today you're gonna find out everyone's personal maybe thing that they want for Christmas this year, or at least the offer that they should be promoting. I am Kyle Kostechka, Senior Business Development Manager, one of the co-hosts of the affiliated podcast, and occasionally popping in to give you crazy things and interesting information. And I'm just so excited about it because I just love the holiday season of giving and giving and giving. I'm not just gonna give you one recommendation, I'm going to give you two. So starting things out though, I wanna start with one of these offers that is just a hidden gem, and it shouldn't be. We're gonna be talking about GL Pro 1, which is from a really fantastic offer owner, one of our diamond offer owners, and it boasts a very, very large AOV, well not even AOV, but a CPA of $190 for top producers. So that is massive for you. In times that traffic is expensive and things are just getting hard to run, you have a fat CPA that's gonna just feel so nice, so warm, almost like a non-itchy, hideous Christmas sweater. You're gonna love it, enjoy it. With conversions that are over 1% at 1.07, this offer is primed to go after, especially right now. So you might be wondering, well, I haven't seen this offer, it's not in the marketplace. So if you wanna get a hold of this offer, it isn't on the marketplace, but what you can do is you can email at the email below and we'll get you in contact with that affiliate manager. Or if you're one of our platinums and above, please reach out to your account manager and I'll make sure that you get in contact with that affiliate manager. And guess what? You might get a little wink, wink, extra nudge for being one of our top affiliates. So with that, again, I wanna make sure you get two because it's just the giving season. We don't just want one, we want more, more, more. And I'm gonna give you something that's a little bit different. This is a brand new offer, guys, something that we have never even had an offer like this on ClickBank before. It's an app, it's a binaural beats app, it's called NewCalm. You should actually Google this right now. It is backed by some of the biggest people in the world. You have celebrity endorsements, Tony Robbins, Brooke Burke, huge athletes and people that actually started as a grade 3 medical product that cost $7,000 or $8,000 for a treatment, and it was used for PTSD. It was used for all sorts of amazing things, and they distilled it down to an app that's $29.99 a month. In this economy, there's a lot of people that are worried about where their money's gonna be, what their job is going on. It's layoff season right now. We're seeing it, we're experiencing it, and stresses are going to drive a lot of people worrying. And NewCalm pierces through to give people exactly what they need, whether it's a relief of the stress, whether it's improving their performance, whether it's making sleep finally count, which holy heck, I need that in my own life. You get an opportunity to either one, go on a CPA basis, which because this is a recurring product, it's gonna be a lot more than the above the average order value, or at least that initial price point of $29, or even doing it on a rev share basis. So if you wanna make sure I'm gonna lock in a lot of revenue coming for me every single month for the rest of the year, which guys, talk about security and taking your stress away, take the safety blanket of NewCalm with repeatable commissions. So this is another exciting offer, requires approval. So when you have requires approval, you're gonna have to reach out to the affiliate manager, or you could also, again, reach out to the email below and see if we can get you some information. If you are a platinum and above, reach out to your account managers. We could get you in direct contact. And again, we'd like to make sure you get a little extra gifts in your stocking with some of those additional commissions or benefits and creatives in partnerships for those that decide to work with us. And with that, I'm gonna give you the gift of not having my presence and getting another great ClickBanker to give you a fantastic offer.
Hey everyone, I'm Kirsten here saying I am an account strategist with the Ascend program. If you're in the gold tier, please check it out. I would love to work with you. Okay. My top pick right now that you should check out to promote through the end of Q4 and into Q1 is Energy Revolution. So this is a DIY power generator that comes from a long lost ancient invention. Pretty cool. First, the team behind this are longtime platinums, so you know they can create high converting offers for you. Plus, these guys are so cool. I've had the pleasure of meeting them in person and I love them. They're absolute gems. Next, the BSL is so slick with super high converting angles. There's so much for you to work with right now with the rising cost of utility bills. You can let the creative juices flow without worrying about all of those compliance hurdles of Nutra offers. And most importantly, the data is there. This is fully vetted to convert on Facebook. Plus, with digital offers, it's really important that the refunds are low, and this one has super low refunds. Affiliates are seeing about 1.25% conversion rates, 50-cent EPCs, and $50 earnings per order. Okay, that's my pick. Go check out the Energy Revolution affiliate tools page. It is robust with all the things you need to start promoting today.
Hey everybody, Michael Lohman here.
What's up guys? My name is Kyle Meredith and I'm a business development manager here at ClickBank. So my job is to onboard new offers and bring them to you. And I'm very excited today to share one of my favorite offers. It's called Enterflow. It is a founder-led VSL. So the founder herself is the face of the offer. You will see her in the VSL. And Enterflow is a supplement offer that supports the female endocrine system by enhancing energy, leading to less brain fog, more weight loss, and more stable hormones. This offer is ready for affiliates because the offer owner was unwilling to release it until she knew that it would work on cold traffic. She's open to emailers and to cold traffic media buying affiliates, but she tested this offer out on her own Facebook campaigns. The last performance, which was on a few $1,000s spend, resulted in 2.45% conversion rate and $2.83 affiliate EPC. It's ready and primed across Facebook, native, and YouTube. If you would like to run it on email as well, you're absolutely welcome to though. If you'd like to contact the offer owner, it is unlisted and not in the marketplace, but you can reach her at the email listed on page right now.
Hi, I'm Shannon Smith, Director of Account Management, and I'm here today to talk to you about Synodentix. It's from Revenue River, the makers of ProDentim and Dentatox. This product is for men and women aged over 45 who are concerned about tooth decay and gum inflammation. It has amazing testing. It's converting really great, especially on YouTube on their test traffic, but it has been optimized for all traffic sources. Now it is whitelist only. It's listed in the marketplace. So if you want to get approved to run this offer, make sure that you get in contact with their affiliate manager. And here's the email address, or you can click on their affiliate tools page from the marketplace. We're always excited about new offers from Revenue River, who's a long-term Diamond client on ClickBank, and we know that this will convert great for your traffic.
Hello, I'm Justin Clark, inside linebacker, Mississippi State University. Just kidding. Hello, I'm Justin Clark, and I'm an account manager here at ClickBank, and I have two fantastic offers that I'd like to highlight for you today. The first one, okay, we know what's right around the corner, right after the holidays. It's weight loss season. So the first one is a weight loss offer. This one is called Ignitra, okay? We're seeing CPAs available for qualified media buyers up to $180, right? We know that there's gonna be a top offer in Q1. It's gonna be some type of weight loss offer. Ignitra is looking strong right now. I'm seeing conversion up to 1.42% during testing. Guys, this could be the big one. So you do not wanna be the 5th, the 10th, the 20th affiliate on this offer. You want to be in on ground zero. This vendor is extremely excited about this offer. They're willing to cut deals, and we have an awesome affiliate tools page that you can access on Ignitra's ClickBank marketplace listing. So jump in, take a look at this offer. Don't miss out on what could be the #1 offer of Q1. And the second offer I have for you, okay, because it's a 2-for-1 deal, holiday magic, okay? This offer is actually gonna be a manifestation offer, right? What's the #2 thing that people want in the New Year's resolution, right? Weight loss, and usually it's some type of, how can I get, better financially? How can I gain more revenue, right? Especially in this trying economy. How can I gain more revenue for my family? How can I gain more money for what I want? Well, I got one for you. It's called Genius Brain Signal, okay? This is a manifestation offer that basically uses audio that puts your brain in the correct mental state to unlock creativity and to kind of get into that flow state that we've been seeing a lot on social media so that you can unlock creative ways to improve your financial standing. This is gonna be a huge offer for folks that are looking to increase their bank account. And right now, folks, I know this offer owner, he is testing this on cold traffic, and even in his preliminary testing, he's seeing a quality EPC and a quality conversion rate. This is a legit Platinum Plus vendor who's releasing yet another legit manifestation offer. Do not miss what I think are gonna be two hot offers. One, your classic weight loss offer, and two, a new angle for you, let's capture those New Year's resolutioners that maybe aren't worried about shedding pounds, but are worried about increasing stacks. Find BrainSig also on the marketplace today and make sure you get your tests in for both of these hot new offers.
Hello, I am Thomas McMahon, the Director of Business Development here at ClickBank, and I'm an Aquarius. Why does that matter? Well, because I'm actually a lunar Pisces, which I learned is my moon sign. And you can too if you check out the new top offer that I'm wanting to highlight here, moon reading. Now, if you haven't checked out this offer, it is phenomenal. It converts on organic, converts on paid, and most importantly, it's one of the lower price offers you'll probably see out there at only $11 per purchase. And even though it's $11, they can pay out up to $25 on average with their RevShare program, which, okay, maybe doesn't seem like a lot if you compare it to supplements and stuff, but tell me, do you think it's easier to convert an $11 purchaser compared to a $60 bottle of supplements? I would argue that is the case. So if you're not sure what to try, if you want to try something new, I would highly recommend checking out the moon reading offer and figure out your astrology sign, because it's also an interactive, really fun VSL they've put together that actually teaches you something and makes you excited to buy. So I would even just check it out, even if you're not going to promote it, because it's worth it and you might learn something new, like being a lunar Pisces, and I'm too trusting, which Dylan can attest to as he edits this to make me look however he wants to. So I'm rambling, but don't know how to wrap it up.